Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a question for you. Have you ever been lost in translation and experienced that language barrier when you're traveling in another country? You also might have used one of these translator apps, but either they require a lot of setups before you can actually start using them, or they rarely provide any feedbacks after the conversation has ended for you to learn and improve on that new language. But what if we can create an AI tool to help us do that? So today, to solve this problem and celebrate the GPT Store launch, I will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Translator GPT and launch it on the GPT Store. So let's get into it. So here's the GPT Store. It has a lot of categories and the featured and trending GPTs by the community. And we'll click on Create to create our Translator GPT. And for a Translator GPT to work, I think it should have this two or three features right here. So first of all, it's automatically detect and translate basically when hearing language A, speak language B, and vice versa. And we want to prompt the user to say start and end conversations to have control on the length and duration of the conversation, because after we end the conversation, we also want to prompt the users to ask for feedback from the GPT given in the conversation contents to improve and learn on this new language. Alright, then the GPT builder gave me a proposed title. I don't think this is the one that I would like. I would suggest we name it as found in translation. Alright, I think this will work for now. Okay, so the GPT builder now suggests any refinement in the context, and we want to provide guidances like this, and also some behavioral suggestions. So first of all, the GPT needs to automatically detect the languages, and basically reiterates the first feature that I've suggested. And also the GPT should have an approachable tone, steer clear of any sensitive or offensive content, and be a bit informal, and should always adapt to cultural nuances when necessary. It's repeating itself here. It's a little bit weird, but it's still okay, and we'll respond to that by writing the following. Okay, so now basically the found in Translation GPT is ready for a test run. Let's go ahead and try it out. Let's say translate between English and Mandarin. We have that by default. Okay, let's say start conversation. Yep, and we can see that it is able to detect Mandarin and translate that into English. That means that our first feature has been correctly implemented. And also the start and end conversation. So let's try the end conversation right now. All right, so let's now ask for feedbacks. So now we'll see that the GPT is able to understand our request and give a few tips for further improvement. Great, so since we've created all of this stuff, we want to click on that save button on the top right and then publish to everyone. Since the GPT Store launch, we can now pick a category, so let's choose productivity, and remember to include your name so that the GPT Store will accept your publish. So let's click on confirm. Now our GPT is published. We can always go back and edit the GPT, as well as click on the copy link button to share that link with others. Now let's see how it performs in the iOS application. So now we're on the phone. Let's navigate to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Explore GPTs. So we'll go into My GPTs and click on Found in Translation and start chat. And let's see how this audio thing works. Translate between English and Japanese.
Great. I'll translate between English and Japanese for you. Just say start conversation when you're ready to begin and end conversation when you're finished.
Start conversation.
All right, We're ready to start. Please go ahead with your first sentence in either English or Japanese.
Where is the nearest shop?
お手寄りの店はどこですか？
次のブロックを右折すると左手に店舗がございます。
Turn right at the next block and you will find the store on your left.
End conversation.
Conversation ended.
Alright, as you can see, this GPT is extremely easy to create and use while remaining absolutely powerful and versatile. So what would you build into the GPT Store for other people to use? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to click that like and subscribe. Remember, it's gonna get better. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.